Hello everyone, welcome back to Real Time Talk with Eagle 3D Streaming.
Thank you so much to invite me to the podcast. I started to work like an architect, a freelance, trying to find a good company here, placed in Valencia. And then we, with my partner Fran and the partners from this firm, we made Boira Visuals. That is the company what nowadays. So the mix for me, a part of the tool of real estate that is amazing, is that Unreal is able to put all of this together. For me, it's amazing. I mean, for me, is that you make very complex tool in the back end, but in the front end, it's just a tool that professionals use very easily, thanks to your platform, anywhere in the world. And they can explain their projects, they can sell the flats, they can even managing a city with different metrics. I think it's amazing.